Finding affordable door installation options that don't compromise on quality is a top priority for many Glendale residents. Whether you're upgrading for energy efficiency, boosting security, or simply enhancing curb appeal, there are cost-effective solutions that can meet your needs without breaking the bank. Here's how you can find the perfect balance between affordability and quality for your door installation project. Why door installation matters? Doors are more than just entry points. They're vital to your home's security, energy efficiency, and overall aesthetic. An outdated or poorly functioning door can lead to higher energy bills, reduced comfort, and even safety concerns. Replacing an old door with a new, budget-friendly option can resolve these issues while adding value to your home. For Glendale residents, choosing doors suited to the local climate, with its hot summers, mild winters, and occasional storms, is essential. Luckily, there are affordable options designed to withstand Glendale's unique weather while providing long-lasting performance. Budget-friendly door types. Here are some affordable door options that offer excellent value for money. Steel doors. Steel doors are among the most cost-effective options available. They are durable, low maintenance, and offer excellent security. Many steel doors also come with energy-efficient cores, making them a practical choice for Glendale's climate. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors mimic the look of wood but are more affordable and require less maintenance. They resist warping, cracking, and swelling, making them ideal for Glendale's hot and dry conditions. Plus, fiberglass doors are available in a wide range of styles and finishes to suit any home. Vinyl doors. Vinyl doors are a budget-friendly option for patio or sliding doors. They are energy efficient, lightweight, and resistant to moisture, making them perfect for monsoon season. Wood composite doors. If you love the look of wood but need a more affordable option, wood composite doors are a great alternative. These doors provide the beauty of wood with improved durability and lower costs. Tips for saving on door installation. Replacing your doors doesn't have to be a costly endeavor. Follow these tips to make your project more budget-friendly. Shop around. Compare prices from multiple suppliers and installers to find the best deal. Many companies in Glendale offer competitive rates and seasonal promotions. Consider pre-hung doors. Pre-hung doors come with the frame attached, simplifying installation and reducing labor costs. DIY when possible. If you have basic handyman skills, you can save money by handling some or all of the installation yourself. However, for complex installations or custom designs, it's best to hire a professional. Opt for standard sizes. Custom-sized doors can significantly increase costs. Whenever possible, choose standard-sized doors to save on both materials and labor. Take advantage of rebates and incentives. Look for energy-efficient doors that qualify for rebates or tax credits. These programs can help offset the initial cost of installation. Benefits of professional installation. while DIY installation can save money upfront. Hiring a professional often pays off in the long run. Expert installers ensure that your door is properly aligned, sealed, and secured, maximizing its performance and lifespan. Professional installation also comes with warranties, giving you peace of mind. Finding a trusted installer in Glendale. When searching for affordable door installation services, prioritize companies that combine competitive pricing with excellent customer reviews. Local installers are often more familiar with Glendale's climate and building codes, ensuring a smoother and more efficient process. Ask potential installers for detailed quotes that include labor, materials, and any additional fees. This transparency helps you avoid unexpected costs and stay within your budget. The long-term value of affordable doors. Affordable doors don't have to mean sacrificing quality or style. Modern manufacturing techniques have made it possible to create budget-friendly doors that are energy efficient, durable, and visually appealing. By investing in high-quality, affordable doors, you can reduce energy bills, enhance your home's security, and boost its overall value. If you're ready to upgrade your doors without overspending, start by exploring options that suit your style, functional needs, and budget. With the right door and a reliable installer, you can transform your home while staying within your financial limits. Affordable door installation in Glendale is within reach. Take the first step today and discover how budget-conscious solutions can make a big difference for your home.